Hi, this is the first time that I'm trying to have jackfruit. Hello, this is Mojgan and I'm on IIT campus. This is my first time that I'm going to try jackfruit. There are a couple of jackfruit trees all over the campus and this is plucked by one of my friends. So let's go and see how it tastes. Okay, let's do that. I actually don't know from where to start, but first of all, let me remove the tail. So now I opened it and it looks like this. Oh my goodness. Apparently each of these is a fruit. Above my expectations. Wonderful! Come to India and just try the fruits. This is what I love doing in India.